Hello friends. So in this video we will try to learn actually how we can make a video from Claude Code using a audio script. So people make a faceless videos, right? So this is an attempt to show you how one can make a faceless video from just recording a audio script. So I have a audio script present and I am using VS Code. Okay? So I will upload my audio script here. So directly you cannot upload here. Okay, so you need to put it your script in your root folder. So I have put my script in the root folder and let me show you how it sounds. In this session, we will try to understand stateful versus stateless application. This is one of the most important points. It is a pure technical explainer type video. Okay, so let's see how Cloud Code can make a video out of it. So let me give a Cloud Code a instruction. This is one of the tool which you can use in case you are lazy in typing, then this will help you to automate your typing. Okay, so just okay, so when you open this tool, right, you will see something like this. Now I will remove this, and if I want to say something like, then I need to press Ctrl and Windows to start dictating. So I will dictate here, right? So I have uploaded a audio script, and from this script I want you to generate a technical explainer type video for YouTube. So can you do that? See, all things comes up here, and now just send it. We'll see what Cloud Code gives us the output. Now it is thinking, vibing. So let it does its own task. We'll wait for that. So it is asking few questions. What can I do? Write Python code, generates a video with animated slide, visuals, audio using libraries. Okay, what I need from you? The script text. I can't listen to transcribe the MP3 directly. Can you paste? Style preferences. A YouTube type explainer with title card intro, animated text slide. Okay, so it is asking us all this information. So I will give him a script. So I have a script. So now let me give him a script because I have a script. So this is the script of my video. The total video length is around 4 minutes. Okay. So this is the script. So let me give it a script. Let's see what it gives us back. Okay. This video production can take a good amount of time because it's a good amount of work, right? If you want to do it manually, it takes around 2-3 hours, but this Cloud Code, with the help of Cloud Code, it can take you 10 to 15 minutes for 3 to 4 minutes of video. So let's see, it depends on your video content and the questions which Cloud Code have for you. So based on those questions, it will come up with the different approaches, right? So it's totally depend on that. Meanwhile, you have a look at the usage. Okay, so this process do take some good amount of usage. Okay, so current session you can see I was doing some prior work also, that's why you can see 40%, but when I had done that, right, it was 33%. Now this video generation has taken around 7% till now. Okay, so you can see, now let me refresh it if in case it would have been increased. So this is how the usage looks like. Okay, so we will track it. So it has a question for us. Allow this bash command. So do yes. Keep on doing yes. Okay. So it is asking again for permission. So do yes. So you can see here it is keep on generating some files. Okay. So we have .cloud here. We have settings.local.json file. You can see all these files. We will have access to it. Okay, so the final message you can see the video was generated successfully. Here is what was created. It's a 9 MB long video. It's a 9 MB video with 4 minutes long, 10 slide time to your video. So this is how it has categorized the video based on the subjects, right? All slide use a dark theme with a color coding. So now it's time to view our video. Okay, so let me open it. So this is our video. So let's see how it has done. In this session, we will try to understand stateful versus stateless application. So this is how the video got generated. We will try to understand stateful versus stateless application. This is one of the most important concepts in system design. And once you understand it, a lot of architectural decision will start making sense to you. So, what is stateful application? A stateful application remembers things about you between requests. You are user. If user has a memory word in the server memory, this creates a problem. If you see, if user A is connected to server 1, then all of the users A requests must go to server 1 because server 2 doesn't have their session. This is called a sticky session. So it has created it well, right? If you see, it has sync up with the script, right? Shopping cart gone experience. And the worst part, see, you move, right? It has created it nicely actually. Ever seen this user component to that component? It can be Redis cache or database. Now any server can handle cache and the user doesn't even notice. Then stateful is like a personal butler and stateless is a hotel front desk. A stateful server is like a personal butler who remember all your preferences. But so here actually if you see, right, there is a load balancer and servers are shown in the line. Actually if it would have been shown like this, right, it would have been in a great way. But it has chosen to show it this way. It might be a mistake, right? So they call in sick. No, but if you observe, right, it's a PPT kind of presentation. It doesn't have animations in it, right? So let's ask Cloud to include animation. Real time. Can you include animations in the video and also make it more engaging to the viewer? Okay, now let's see what it does. So before that, what I will do is I will copy this video so it should not override it. Let me copy it. So I have copied this one, and I think I will keep it somewhere. I will not keep it here. So probably I will keep it on the desktop only. I will keep it. Okay. I kept it for my purpose. Let us see what is the usage. Okay, so usage has jumped to 57%. Okay, you can see this. See, these are the updated to-dos for it. So it is taking time. So till now, if you want to know the timings, right? So since I started this video recording, 28 minutes are passed. So might be some time, some 10 minutes I would have taken from my stuff. But almost 20 minutes the bot is running. I am thinking it might hit our limits. See, 83% is used. So I don't think that we will able to finish it. within our limit. It will hit the limit and it will stop. Meanwhile, I will show you which plan I am using. Okay. So I am at this pro plan. So let's see what we get. Can we finish this video in the pro plan? Let's see. This is actually a real problem. Means we are saying that AI is making our life easy, right? So it's fine. You can ask it and get answer, chat with it, but if you want to do real stuff, right? It takes a lot of computation. It takes a lot of tokens. It needs a subscription plan, and even the normal subscription plan won't help you. It won't allow you to do trial and error. So you need to go for the max plan to get the real things done. So it has given us, see, you have used 92% of your session limit, reset in 2 hours. So let us keep on doing. Let's see what happens. Let's do it. You can see view usage here. So weekly 7 days. So you can see here the usage. Okay. Keep on doing. Yes. Let's see. If we are lucky, we will able to finish it. Else I will take another video for you. Okay. See, 95% of your session limit is hit already. So if this session limit got hit, right, then it is telling it will reset in 2 hours. So I will again try it in 2 hours and we will continue this video. We will see how it turns the static PPT presentation kind of video to the video which has animation styles and all. So we still don't have sign of it completing the video. It is still doing it. So we can see one file got added here. Let's see. We have only 1% of session limit remaining. So meanwhile, we'll see these sessions, what you will get, more usage. So we'll get here 5x or 20x more usage than Pro. So I am also starting one series on Cloud Code. So in this series, my agenda is to cover how one can use Cloud Code and use it to the utmost level. Right? Because Cloud Code has many different models. We should be able to select which model to use, which plan to go for, which Cloud Code features to use. We have Cloud Code, Cloud Design, Cloud Cowork, Cloud Coworker, lot of stuffs Cloud Code offers. But when to use which one, all these things I am planning to cover in that series. In case you want to watch that, then do subscribe. It is on the way. It will come up soon on this channel. So I think it is still doing it. We'll see. what happens now? 37 minutes of recording is done for this video. Okay, so you can think of how much time it actually takes. Okay, so seems like it has generated the video, and this time the size of video is 29 MB and it is fully animated. So here's is what it is telling that it has added versus the static version. So let's see. It is telling it has added header, slide down, staggered, fade in, growing arrows, pulsing rings, progress bar. So let's see. Let's see the video exactly. So it's good that I have taken a copy because we know the static.
To understand stateful versus
It has some animation, right? If you would have
this is
noticed.
one of the most important concept in system design, and once you understand it, a lot of architectural decisions will start making
And see here,
so
there is a
why
progress bar of the video which is
a stateful
already present in the video. We don't need an extra
now
progress bar here.
request your session data, your shopping cart, what page you
Let us see what
all of
animation.
these
See,
server
this
memory
is all animation.
create a
See,
problem. If
nice, right? See how it is crash.
all of the users a request must go to server 1 because server 2 doesn't have their session.
And it is
Server
sync with
must
the
sync
script.
this session.
Okay, whatever I am
And
talking
since server 1
in the
has
script, it is sync with that.
user is entire session data is
That is the
gone,
beauty.
shopping cart gone, half field form gone.
See,
They need to start over. That's a terrible user experience. And the worst part is you can't easily scale. You
see,
can't just add more server because each server has its unique state. It's like having a filing cabinet at
see,
each desk in an office. If you move desk, your files don't follow you. That is the thing with
see
stateful.
how nice it
What
is.
is stateful?
We can improve this video. Okay, so once we able to improve it, then I think we can convert it to scale because now on this screen there are multiple blocks, you can say, but when I was talking about this one, this has to get highlighted. So that thing I think we can achieve, but I think now still we are good. This is a decent kind of video which we have got, right? So that's it guys in this video. So I hope you would have understood how to generate a video using Cloud Code. Many people try to directly upload the video and ask them, but it doesn't generate it that way. You need to use VS Code to generate it, right? So that's what I wanted to show you, and I think you have got a good understanding of the journey of this video. So you would have learned some lessons on your own. So I have shown you how I was failed to generate a good video and how we have improved it. And you can think of what is the better version than this one and tune it as per your requirement. So that's it. If you like this video, do subscribe to this channel because this channel is meant for such innovative videos in the field of AI and all the technical field. So do subscribe.